Hello everybody, Bad Weather Freak here. I have another quick video. It has been a long time since I haven't posted really anything. We were nearing the end of the hurricane season, so we figured, hey, not much was gonna form, but as we know, how wrong we all have, well, we were basically, because it's not slowing down. And we had a major hurricane, Eta make landfall in Central America, near Puerto Cabezas in Nicaragua. And now we have major hurricane again, Iota, heading that way also as we speak. Now I posted this video because, yes, Central America, excuse me, Central America is no stranger to strong hurricanes, but the fact that it doesn't happen often, and the fact that they are going, for the first time ever, they're going to get two major hurricanes make landfall in about the same area. We had Hurricane Iota went from 85 mile per hour winds all the way up to 155 mile per hour winds in 24 hours. So I wouldn't be surprised if that is a record. I believe Wilma in 2005 has the record for the fastest intensifying hurricane in the less amount of time. But I don't know. I think Iota will definitely break the record for that, because that's very impressive. As we speak, it's as a 7 a.m. update. It is moving west at 10 miles per hour. It has a minimum pressure of 925. And it has sustained winds of 155 miles per hour. Now, the hurricane hunters are in there right now in the hurricane, and probably about 20 minutes ago, they found a pressure of 920 or 921, I think it was. So meaning that the storm is still intensifying. And the fact that it's 155 miles per hour, I think is probably going to become, on the next update, it will become a category 5 hurricane, since it only needs two more miles per hour actually to really intensify to category 5. Now the question here is will it hold on, will it sustain to a category 5 at landfall? I mean, it's looking like it may, but we don't know. Hurricane Eta did the same thing, where it almost made it to a 5, but then as it approached the coast, it started weakening. It went through an eye wall replacement cycle. So the eye wall replacement cycle, what it means basically is the hurricanes, they do get so strong that they cannot sustain the strength anymore, and then basically the center, the eye, starts weakening to basically regain strength again. Now, a lot of the times that cycle happens right before landfall, which it benefits whoever is in the path of it, because when it makes landfall, it's weaker. Now, I don't know if it's gonna happen with Iota, since it's moving faster than Eta. So I don't think it's gonna happen, but we don't know, of course. So we gotta wait and see what happens. But I mean, it's pretty much running out of time, so I don't think it will happen, unfortunately. I think it's probably gonna have winds of 160 miles per hour at landfall. I mean, it's very possible. The key messages for this hurricane. Key message number 1, Iota is expected to continue to rapidly intensify and could possibly be a catastrophic category 5 hurricane when it approaches the coast of Central America tonight. Extreme winds and a life-threatening storm surge are expected along portions of the east coast of northeastern Nicaragua and eastern Honduras, where a hurricane warning is in effect. Number 2 is hurricane conditions and storm surge impacts are likely in Providencia today. Tropical storm conditions are expected and hurricane conditions are possible on San Andres. That's an island, basically, that is on the path of the hurricane. Now, in the last point of key message is, through Thursday, heavily rainfall from Iota will likely lead to a life-threatening flash flooding and river flooding across portions of Central America. Flooding and mudslides in Honduras and Nicaragua could be exacerbated by Hurricane Eta's recent effects here, resulting in significant to potential catastrophic impacts. So Hurricane Eta actually killed about 120 people in southern Mexico, and where it made landfall in Nicaragua and Honduras. Unfortunately, because the land is so saturated, I mean, it's very possible that we will probably see worse effects from this hurricane than the last one. Not necessarily because it's stronger, but also because of the effects that the other hurricane already had in the land over there. So they have a lot of high mountains, so usually they get a lot of flash floodings and landslides and things like that. So that seems to be the issue now. But you know, I mean, definitely I want to let you guys know, if you're in that area, you're watching this video, I hope the best for you guys. Stay safe as much as you can. I know this is a massive hurricane and it's almost impossible to really be completely safe, but do your best. Stay safe. We're thinking about you here in the States. And if anything changes throughout the day, I'll keep you guys posted. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow my also follow me on Instagram, where I post photos and do updates there too. It's a little easier for me to post stuff there than a video, since I'm at work throughout the day usually. But check it out. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a good day and stay safe.